When was the last time you witnessed the sun negotiating payment before sharing its warmth, or heard a river demand recognition for quenching thirst? Nature operates through unconditional giving, the oldest and most perfect economy on earth. The oak produces thousands more acorns than needed for its own reproduction. The honeybee pollinates countless flowers beyond what benefits its hive. This boundless generosity isn't naive idealism, but the fundamental pattern of a thriving ecosystem. What if human systems of exchange are merely primitive approximation of this sophisticated natural wisdom? Perhaps our deepest fulfillment comes not when we calculate value received, but when we align with creation's inherent generosity. Let's explore this natural wisdom through a meditation on embodying the effortless giving we observe in the natural world. Take a moment to find your center. Become aware of the space around you, noticing the air touching your skin, the ground supporting you. As your awareness settles, bring your attention to the natural world and how it demonstrates perfect trusteeship. Contemplate how nature shows us how to give freely without expectation or demand. Visualize a magnificent tree extending its branches. It offers shade to all who seek refuge, drops fruit for any who hunger, releases oxygen for every living being, never asking for recognition or payment in return. Observe how the sun shines equally on everyone. The rain nourishes all plants without discrimination. The rivers flow freely for any creature to drink. This is nature's way, unconditional giving. Silently affirm, like nature, I give without expectation. I feel content and replenished by giving. With your steady gaze, see yourself embodying this natural wisdom. Imagine your gifts, whether knowledge, resources, or care, flowing outward like sunlight, available to all who can benefit. Feel how this alignment with nature's generosity brings you into harmony with the rhythm of life itself. There is no struggle in this giving, no calculation of return. Only the fulfillment of your purpose. As a trustee, recognize that your resources are meant to circulate, just as elements cycle through nature. Your giving doesn't deplete you, but places you in the natural flow of abundance. Continue breathing calmly as you embrace this consciousness. Nature shows me how to give freely. Carry this awareness with you today. When you find yourself hesitating to share or give, remember the sun, the trees, the rivers, and allow your own giving become as natural and unconditional as theirs. Om Shanti, I am peace.